Aruba, as part of the Netherlands Antilles back in time, participated for the very first time in Olympic Games of the 1952 Helsinki with 7 athletes who were part of the football selection of the Netherlands Antilles in that time. Aruba participated next in the Games of 1976 in Montreal, Canada with 1 athlete in judo. And if I read the Wikipedia and I Google a little bit, I saw that Thomas Bach, the president of IOC, won the first gold medal in this event. Still congratulations, great achievement. That was the same Olympic Games where today's president of IOC, I just say, achieves his gold medal. But in Los Angeles, the next games, that was 1984, Aruba was represented by 3 athletes. 2 in synchronized swimming and 1 in 100 and 200 meters category. And one of the synchronized swimmers is Nicole Hoovert. And a big round of applause. Because what I wanted to show with this speech this morning is that sport is a powerful tool.
And we are extremely, 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 extremely happy to be here today. I'm standing in front of you with goosebumps because we have been waiting so long for this office to become this. And we're so happy that the athletes are here. And we hope that you enjoyed the presentations of the federations, that you could get to know our athletes a little bit. For us, it's very important to have an Olympic home. And that's what we have today. And that's what we're going to officially open today. We want to continue to inspire our athletes, our federations, our coaches, our leaders. And we want to continue to instill the Olympic values. The office inside is beautiful. It tells a story. And what better than storytelling? Because you'll remember, you'll understand, and you'll be able to transmit the message as well. And that's what we want for you to see today and to understand. Our values, what we stand for, that together is better. So I look forward to your reaction after the tour. If you have any other ideas to make us better, to improve, because that's the road, that's the only road, we are happy to hear from you. Thank you for being here. Thank you to the Olympic Solidarity, the IOC, the government of Aruba, to Pan Am Sports, because without your help, we would not be standing here in front of such a nice building.
Ladies and gentlemen, the big day has finally arrived. Woohoo! I would say that protocol is observed, so I will not go through the whole list. But let me tell you that dreams do come true. What started in a very humble office, in a little bit not so good stadium, which, thank you, Minister, we started yesterday with the process of renovation. But we spent many years in that stadium in an office that actually became a little bit dangerous to the health of our workers. So we took them out and we went looking for a new office. We had a dream. We wanted to make sport important. We wanted to give sport the importance that we think it deserves. Not for us, but for the athletes. That's what we're doing it for. We went looking for many adequate buildings and we couldn't find them. First of all, because we wanted something very particular. And in the end, we found it on this very location. And you know what? We had doubters. We had many people thinking, this cannot be done. It's too big for COA. It's not the right occasion. It is not the right building. And it's not the right location. And we proved them wrong. We proved each and every one of those people wrong. We knew it. We had a vision. And we knew that sport deserves the very best.
And congratulations to the National Olympic Committee of Aruba for this really magnificent new headquarters, which will turn a page in the history of the National Olympic Committee of Aruba. With this headquarter, the NOC will be in much better condition to serve you, to serve the athletes, to serve your teams going to the Central American and Caribbean Games, to the Pan Am Games. Finally, we also hope to the Olympic Games. And there I can tell you of my experience of this morning when I see these wonderful athletes, when I see them with their joy for sport and their joy of life, and when I see at the same time, now I'm coming to your 4 big D, you know, when I see their determination at the same time, but a determination in the true Olympic spirit. You know, determination in the Olympic spirit is not a grim determination. Determination in the Olympic spirit is a determination full of joy, full of passion for sport. And this is what we could experience here this morning. There was this passion, and because of this passion, the National Olympic Committee of Aruba can look and can be very confident to look into a very, very bright future of sport in Aruba, thanks to these young athletes and thanks to their passion.